what we are going to use C language. Same program, we are going to use a C language. See, we are going to send 55 and AA to all ports. What is the ports? Let us have a simple design, same diagram. Here you have port A, port B. This is going to be port C, right? This is your 8255. Okay. So you have to design in such a way that A0 and A1 should be 00 for port A selection. Okay. Once you select the particular port, whatever the data you pass it, that will be put on the particular port A. Okay. Right. Chip select. Chip select should be 0. Just design, you just see in the previous slide. Let us start the program, simple program. I'll start with header file. I use one file. I'll tell you what is this file. Okay. I'm going to use a delay, fine. Main function I'm starting, I'm just initialize a variable, character type variable, simple value. Okay. Now, I told you my first step is going to be programming the control register. Control register should be programmed. What this control register tells you that the port A, port B, port C are going to be act as the input port or output port. That is the important thing you are going to see. Since in this port I want to produce some data outside, that is I want to throw 55 and AAH. This is the value I want to put here continuously, so that this particular port should act as an output port. Okay, for that we know the data 80H is the data that I am going to move it to where 4003H address. Okay, so in C programming, if you use X byte open braces and particular address, which means that X byte is a macros. Okay, in C language, X byte is a macros, especially for embedded C, which access the individual bytes, That is, in this location, the data is passed. What is this location? That is CR location, control register location. Now you have programmed your thing. Okay. What is coming to the address, the header file? We have used one of the header file. So this header file is a file which gives the definition for your micros. Because in my program, I'm using a micro called micros called X byte. Okay. So these are all predefined name, which is used in the C program. That is embedded C program. Okay. Especially for 8051 controller. What we are discussing now. Okay. Now, just I will open a while loop now. I have programmed my 8255. Okay. My all ports is going to act as an output port. Fine. This is the only important thing you want to do. Then put the value, what is the value you want to send it to port A, port B, port C. Okay. Now I'm just passing this value to port A. Same value I'm passing to port B. Same value I'm passing to port C. Okay. Port A, I'm just passing 55 to all these ports. To all these ports, I'm passing 55. Having a delay, simple delay. Then I'm just, I want to toggle that. So I'll put AA. Similar way, I'm just going to pass my AA to all ports. So now it is going to be port A, port B, port C is going to load with value AA. I have a simple delay. Just once again, repeat it infinite times. You're going to repeat it for infinite times. That's it. Right? So only thing is you must understand these macros here. Okay, just directly accessing the memory. That is memory in the sense some location data memory location inside 8255. That's it. That way you should understand. That's it. Any doubt you can ask now. We can wind up. So that's it, today's class.